Since the 1st of March 2018, levy and VAT decisions have become digital. The old, famous yellow documents have been replaced by PDFs and XMLs. While advantageous, the new system also creates some challenges you should not underestimate. Importers no longer have a paper version of the documents. They will have to archive them digitally, as the Federal Customs Administration will not archive them. The responsibility to classify and archive files, therefore, lies with the importer. The digital documents have their own digital signature and, if modified, the changes will be contested. This complex system does not streamline the archiving nor searching process of the files. Importers must provide these documents during audits carried out by the federal administrations, and managing each file can be a time-consuming process. The search for documents on the Customs website requires the individual document number, and the search is limited to 10 days. A limitation which complicates and lengthens the time spent managing and searching for the documents. Which is why the Gruppo Franzosini SA developed EZdatacenter, your easy-to-use and safe database to manage all your digital import documents. This certified and authorized system archives all digital import documents automatically, without any time limitation. Its intuitive interface allows users to easily access their archives and filter their search by consignor, invoice number, custom document, types of goods, date, value, or any other useful data. The EZdatacenter database can be accessed from a computer or smartphone, making it accessible immediately wherever you are. EZdatacenter is the right choice. Visit the EZdatacenter.ch website to try our demo version.